if you're not a landscaper, you wouldn't know this is the last week of landscaping for most properties. They end at the end of November, and it's a mad rush to clean up all the heavy wet leaves. It's kind of a game of chicken between me and the city. They planted these huge trees, and they've left me to clean up the mess. So maybe they'll take it this year. Maybe I'll take it this year. We'll see how that plays out. But suffice it to say, I'm fed up, tired, wet, cold, achy, and complaining. But you know, on the brighter side of things, today is Tuesday, and in 2 days, on Thursday, is the beginning of the Culture Crawl. And if you've never attended the Culture Crawl, I recommend it. There's 500 artists who are opening their studios to the general public, and you can go and see what they're doing and sometimes watch them do it. So in my case, you will. I'll be doing a demonstration at the Arts Factory. So come down to the Arts Factory, 281 Industrial, and see what we're up to. There's 21 artists this year, and some interesting stuff. So that's my pitch to you. There's not much else to say about the fall season right now. So I'm gonna switch subjects for the rest of this video to AI animation. And I know we're all sick of the subject of AI, but there's this little voice in my head going, you know, like, this is a really weird moment in time when it's just starting, like the first computer, and odd things can happen. Later it will be much smoother and more predictable, but right now odd things happen, and I want to generate that. I want to generate something odd from the AI to see what we can get. If I just type in the right combination of words, I will trick the AI into doing something interesting. I hope that's my new art form, AI stumping. So we're gonna do that in a moment. But in the meantime, yeah, wet leaves, and that's about it. So let's try something. I think it's about to pour. In fact, it's pouring so hard, it's raining cats and dogs and frogs. And, oh, that was short-lived. Look at the rainbows. I've never seen so many rainbows in all my life. Huh. And what's that on the rainbow? Oops. Ha. Okay, enough of that silliness. We'll try it again at a different location and see what we can get. Okay? See you there. Good morning. What a difference a day makes. Yesterday was wet leaf day. Today is the preparation, the installation for the Culture Crawl. Tomorrow night, this gallery will be filled with Brancusi sculptures, Gustav Klimt painting. I show people the beautiful Picasso over here, and maybe next to my painting, which is located right here, in 2 inch now. We'll see. But it's also my father's birthday today, so happy 100th birthday, Dad. It seems like we've been celebrating this birthday for 6 months now. But today's the actual day. Many happy returns. Wish I could be there with you, but this is the next best thing. So tomorrow night, exhibition. And also this morning, well, this is my space here. And the painting I'm planning to hang there with a couple sculptures, it may have sold this morning. Got an email from a guy named Luke in Switzerland. Interested in this painting and a couple others, and I'm like, what the heck? So shout out to you, Luke. You made this day even better. And then after this installation's, my part of the installation's finished, I'm gonna go over to the pottery studio and work on a tomato. It's a little project. We always have cherry tomatoes on our counter, And they're always sold in these plastic containers that are, you know, plastic containers. They're lovely, they're fine, they work, but it's always on the counter, this plastic container full of cherry tomatoes. So I thought I would try and make a giant tomato to hold the smaller tomatoes, with like a tomato lid, and so that's what I'm working on this afternoon. Tomato container. It's the next morning, Thursday morning, and I think you can tell that this is the last of the leaves. Like what you're looking at there, that's it for this year, I hope. Had enough. But it is the opening of Culture Girl tonight, and I'm a little hyper, okay, so I'll try and, but you know, I was thinking, what if this street suddenly like filled with 10 meters of water, and coral grew up out of the pavement, and this gray truck turns into a whale shark, and the whale shark swims around in front of the camera. But the whale shark is purple, and it has pink polka dots all over it. And a mermaid swims up out of the coral, which is surrounded by fish, and she approaches the camera and tries to hug the camera. Perfect. It's the last day of Culture Crawl. We've had over 1,000 people this weekend. It's got to be 700 just today. And we got a live band. So let me show you around. And thank you. Lost Lagoons are playing.
We have to miss the little thing.
No, our hero is not working in the pouring rain and the drizzle on a Friday. He's actually in the Mediterranean. Yes. He's sitting down in a cafe next to the Mediterranean Sea in southern Italy. A waiter comes up to him and serves him like a huge tall glass of beer and some mood fruit to eat. He eats on the mood fruit and it is fantastic. Then he starts to dance. He dances with everybody in the restaurant. It is a big party in the sunshine, in the Mediterranean. I'm that very cliche. We gotta be better next time, eh? I gotta think on what's possible here. Okay, back to me in the drizzle. And I'm gonna say goodbye now for 2025. I think this might be my last YouTube video for 2025, unless something interesting happens. That's it till next spring. So, thanks for watching.